back to my chat session. My name is Dion, and it is Wednesday morning. So let me just say good morning to everyone. I hope everyone has been having a good week so far. I know I sound a little echoey or low. I apologize about that. But I just wanted to come in and chat with you guys a little bit. I'm actually making a simple on-the-go breakfast using a toaster oven. So it's just something that I wanted to record this morning, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So what I'm doing now, I just got through cooking my eggs, my vegan sausage, and my biscuits. So I'm just letting those sit out and cool, because what I'm going to do is just wrap them up in some plastic wrap, and I don't want it to be too hot and be sweaty, so I'm letting it cool so it won't be sweaty. So I just had to come in here, do my hair right quick. And I needed to put a treatment in my head before I left to go to work, which entails me massaging my scalp. So while that's cooling, while that's cooling, yeah, I went to the dermatologist and, got my scalp and everything checked and tested and all. And so I have a new hair routine that I have to go by every morning and at night for my scalp, for my thinning hair. So I'm just hoping that works. I know it's going to take a while, but I'm going to do what I got to do. And just be patient. And just do what I need so my hair can get to growing and thickening up and stop shedding. On my way to work, I got to get some gas. Comment down below if you like getting gas and what time of day do you like getting gas. Do you like getting it in the morning, or do you rather get it at night, the night before? That way you ain't got to get it before you go to work. And how often do you have to get gas? Do you have to get gas twice a week, once a week? It just depends. Most of the time for me, I'll have to get gas maybe once a week. Because a lot of times, depending on what I got going on, I'll try to run my errands and just make sure it's all the same throughout. Oops. I ain't even know that had fell on my shirt. What in the world? All right, that's better. So I think I'm gonna just wear my hair all going back today, because I need to wash it using these new products in my head and stuff. And plus I have like a new special shampoo I have to use on my hair. So yeah, especially I gotta wash my hair and things I have to do. So I'll probably do that this weekend though. Well, this all gone. Do you guys think your hair looks better when you comb it in a ponytail, all back, with the side part, or with the middle part? Which way do you guys like to have your ponytails? Either way, I feel like you can make it fancy. I'm trying to scrape the rest of this stuff out of here. Just like when you have some good ice cream or some good, I don't know, pudding or something. Pudding or something. Try to get every little bit out. Bun. That it is little. That's okay. But damn on here. I'm sorry, y'all. My lighting. I got to look. Is that better? Let's see. Oops. I don't know. Let me see. I got a hairpin. to make an appointment in March because it's about to be March because today is February it's Wednesday, the last Wednesday in February for this month. The last Wednesday in this month of February. So this little back piece don't want to stay with it. You see that, y'all? They just want to have its own shine today. They don't want to be a part of the rest of the people. I guess it's want to stand out. Let me see if I put a hairpin in here. Maybe that'll help it. Throw this away. Wash my hands. Washing my hands so I can put my moisturizer on, and then I gotta wash them again because my little easy to go breakfast made in the toaster oven. Quick and simple, easy. Yeah, I just decided to make it in the toaster oven. Just try something different. It's quick and simple. That way I ain't have to just have the whole oven getting warmed up and doing all this extra stuff. So then I'm trying to get ready for work. That's a process in itself. So I was like, let me just make, y'all even got the stuff on my glasses. Lord, my teeth, girl. Now I need to go clean them. My tried and true my glasses because I cannot see without them. Oh, and the moisturizer I use for my face is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. And all I got on is some chapstick. Just simple little Dion. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap this video up. Go ahead and assemble my breakfast, and I'll show you guys as I assemble it, and I'll also show you guys what I'm taking to work for a snack. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you're new here, I hope you come back for many more. If you are a chat partner, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope you guys continue to come back. I appreciate you all. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. As always, you guys are awesome. You're great. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, I wanted to show you what I was taking to work for a snack. So I have some blueberries. Light and Fit strawberry banana yogurt. 2 tangerines. Half a lemon. Then I'm gonna squeeze in my water here. And I have some applesauce. So those are my snacks for today. Okay guys, I got my assembly line going on. So here are my eggs. I try to piece them up in 5 pieces because I'm going to make, I don't know why I said 5 pieces. I'm going to make 4 sandwiches. So I got them pieced up, and when I cook my eggs, I made sure I didn't like break them up too much because I wanted them to be kind of solid, if that makes sense, or in bigger pieces. So here are my eggs, my vegan sausage, and my rolls, biscuits, rolls or biscuits or whatever you want to call them. And I have some more here that I'm going to put in a Ziploc bag. And there's the Ziploc bag, and here's my plastic wrap.